up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka AUDIOZONE. Always want to thank you guys for watching, the support you guys giving this channel. Today we got a beautiful car we're working on. It's an older Mercedes-Benz CLS 500. Was a very popular car in its day. Definitely a beautiful car. And they decided that they want to change the radio because obviously in those years they didn't have the technology. We have a CarPlay and Bluetooth and all these options. So it looks like inside. And on this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take off this radio, do a new install, and put a radio in to the CLS Mercedes-Benz. Guys, so one of the first things you'll be dealing with is disassembling the car to be able to get this installation done. As the shift area, look at the radio in the car. Look at the shift area. So you pretty much got to grab from back here and push up, or you could use a panel popper like we have here and wedge it from the back and pop this up. So we're going to pop it. Come on. Okay, got it loose. And the reason you got to do it from the front side is because they got these two tabs that will not let you come out from that side. So once this is out, you'll be able to get this part, loosen it up, do some unplugging from the plugs in the bottom, which Josh is going to show us how to do it right there. Unplug, and now we have this that we can move out of the way. Next thing we're going to be doing is coming down here and removing this area right here. So this is out the way. We're going to unplug that out the way.
Oh, that's got a weird plug.
Yeah, it's a Mercedes-Benz, bro. Alrighty. Once we get that one removed from there, you can actually just let that sit there if you want, Jay. But once we get that from there, I'm going to show you guys that down here there's two screws that we're going to be grabbing. So let me grab the tools for that. So down here, you're going to see two screws. One right there, one right there. You see those? So those two are going to come out. They're like a T15 or think, something like that, Jay? We're about to find out. Gonna loosen those up.
Much faster with electronics.
Yes, definitely. But you know, sometimes you want to go the old school way. It's all good.
Yeah, get a feel for it.
Well, I like to feel it. I like to move it. I like to move it.
Don't play with me. You know, I've been putting on a lot of Disney songs.
Yeah, you've been playing the Tuna Matata up in here.
Yeah.
But those two screws gotta come out, and then we'll be able to show you the next part. All right, guys, so once you got those two screws off, there could be some plugs in the bottom that you're going to displug, which he's in the process of doing right now. So I can allow this to come out a little bit more. You see the little brown plugs and stuff right there. And
Tip on this one, so
like a little prick on it, you gotta. Once you get these little plugs out, they could come out, and now on the radio here, you're going to start doing the Kamala Akuna Matata. Yeah. So on these, after you got that out, you got a screw right here, screw right there, and that'll release the radio from coming out of the Mercedes. So when you're loosening those two screws, you got to loosen them all the way out till you begin to feel resistance again. That will allow you to just pop out your radio. So now the radio coming out. We're gonna unplug all this craziness from back here.
it unplugged itself.
Yep. Boom, boom. We're done. Now we're gonna start doing the wiring for the new radio. All right, guys. So when you get this thing, the module that we're using on this one is gonna be the Access AXDIS MB132. It's for the 02 to 09 Mercedes-Benz. It's actually built for this vehicle. As you can see here, we got this for you, CLS. You can see what we're working with right there. So it's gonna come in with this module. I've already plugged all the stuff together, so I'm gonna show you what's going on. So come with the module. All this comes in here. So these here are going to be your vehicle speed sensor, your parking brake, and your reverse signals. They're right there in the module. Then the rest of the stuff is going to be hardwired through. This one's going to run to the CAN bus. This one over here, it's going to run, where's she at? This one right here is going to run to the CAN bus plugs, which Josh is working on that right now. This is going to plug up to the factory plug of the car. We're going to switch over the fiber optics, and this is ready to go. So at this point in time, I got the modules installed. I got the fiber optics installed, which you can see ran here. Clip. Now he's got the man, I'm lost today, y'all. I'm sorry. This wire that's running right here is going to the CAN buses that's down there. Let me show you where that's at. Show the CAN buses down there, Jay.
I think that's it.
CAN buses right there.
Somewhere in there.
And then now we got the harnesses and stuff here. He's doing the connections here to close this up. We'll do a test on the radio, make sure everything's working, and get this out the door. So after we got all the wiring and everything done for the radio installed there, Josh is going to go and just hit all okays. And let's just hear some audio here. Let's go to radio. Let's go tune. No connection. Okay. We got that playing there. Steering wheel controls working. Can you see that? So all this is working here. She's all good to go. And now we're just gonna put everything back together and just go. That's how you put a radio on a Mercedes-Benz CLS. Well, she is done, ready to be signed, sealed, and delivered, y'all. Thank you guys for watching, man. Always thanking you guys for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.